Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your username and profile name on TikTok app step by step. First, go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This is the profile name marked with red. And this is the username marked with red. To change your profile name, tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Name button. To change your profile name, you need to type your name on the blank and tap on the Save button. To change your username, tap on the Username button. You need to type a unique username and type it on the blank. Then tap on Save button. Thus, the process of changing your profile name and username on TikTok app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.